we are going to discuss about transportation problem, and we have already discussed about northwest corner method to find a initial basic feasible solution. In this class we are going to discuss about the least cost method. I have taken one example here. So let us see how we are going to calculate the transportation cost by least cost method. Here these are the destinations 1, 2, 3, 4. Like we can write D1, D2, D3, D4. These are destination and these are the plant P1, P2, P3. So these are our cost given. As we all know, transportation method is used to minimize the cost. So this method, least cost method, is used to find the initial basic feasible solution. Let us see how we are going to do it. As the name suggests, least cost method, so in this matrix we have to see the least cost for in the matrix. In whole matrix we have to see what is the least cost. If you see here 0, 2, 3, 11, 7, 1, 0, 6, 1, 5, 8, 15, 9, these are our cost. And this is our, we can say, supply, and this is the demand. So if you see, our total supply is 17 and demand is also 17. So demand is equal to supply. So this is a balanced transportation problem. So see how we are going to solve it by least cost method. If we see our matrix, here the least cost is 0. So first we need to assign the value to 0. Here the maximum assignment we can do 1, as the supply is 1 and the demand is 5, we can assign the 1 here. So let us assign 1 here. When we assign 1 here, this becomes 4. And this whole row cancelled because it is already assigned. Next we have to go for searching the next least cost. See here the next is 2, 3, 11, 7, 5, 8, 15, 9. So the least is 2. We can assign our value to this cost. So 6 here, 7 here. So maximum we can assign 6 here. If we assign 6 here, then this becomes 1. This row is also cancelled because the total supply is fulfilled. Now if you see here, the least cost, this only one row remains, this row. So the least cost is 5. We can assign maximum 1 here because we have 1 here. So if we assign 1 here, then this becomes 9. Then the next least cost is 5. And this is also cancelled. Then next least cost is 8. What is the maximum assignment we can do? We can do 4 here. So 4 I have assigned. This becomes 1. This also done. Now here 3 and 2 left. Between 15 and 9, the least cost is 9. I can assign 2 here maximum. So I have assigned 2 here. This becomes 3. And the last cost remain in the table is 15. So what we can do? We can assign 3 here and 3 left here. So we can assign the last value to it, that is 3. In this case, how we are going to calculate? See, our total assignment is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So to calculate the total transportation cost, this becomes 6 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 8 into 4 plus 15 into 3 plus 9 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this equal to 6 into 2, 12 plus 0, 0 into 1 plus 5 plus 32 plus 45 plus 18. So which becomes the total cost equal to 17 plus 45 plus 18 plus 32. This becomes our 1 and 2. This is the total transportation cost by least cost method. The same problem can be tried by northwest corner method, which we have already discussed in the previous class. So you can refer the previous video to calculate the cost, total transportation cost by the northwest corner method.